Hello, my name is William Andres Cabrera Castro, the group of 76 of English Phonetics. So in this case, I will read the following sentence and also I will answer the workshop number 3 pronunciation practice. The topic for today is suprasegmentals. The first sentence is: the airplane taxied down the runway before taking off. The airplane taxied down the runway before taking off. This is the first sentence. The second sentence is: the airplane circled around the airport, waiting patiently to receive permission to land. The airplane circled around the airport, waiting patiently to receive permission to land. And the last exercise is to read a short paragraph. So I will start. In this case is: the moon is barren rocky world without air and water. It has a dark lava plain on its surface. The moon is filled with craters. It has no light of its own. It gets its light from the sun. The moon keeps changing its shape as it moves around the earth. I will repeat it. The moon is barren, rocky world without air and water. It has a dark lava plain on its surface. The moon is filled with craters. It has no light of its own. It gets its light from the sun. And the moon keeps changing its shape as it moves around the earth. So thank you so much.